All right. Okay, so IJ said that I should explain what happened to GPP JPY. All right, I should explain what happened to GPP JPY before I do my technical analysis for the next week. All right. Um, let's look at GG. Now, I actually caught that trade. Remember, we were actually is it buying? We actually, yeah, selling. I was actually selling this pair. If you know, if you remember last week, I was actually selling this pair. Now, let's look at it from a technical standpoint. All right. We are bullish. We are bullish on GG. Let's look at the daily time frame. You can see that the daily time frame is bullish. All right. We had this break of structure here. I hope you guys can see my screen now. I'm sure everybody's seeing it. So we have price breaking structures to the upside. Yeah, that is a break of structure there. So you expect a pullback before you continue the trend. So this low, let me take out this. So this low here is your strong low. All right. So we have this your low, this your high. So you expect price now to pull back before you continue buying because DJ is bullish. All right. You can see how powerful that candle is. So we have determined our bias. We also have this what you call block. I call it demand. That is a demand. So on the 4 hour perspective now, we expect price to pull back. All right. If you look at this space now, all right, pay attention now because fair value gaps is also very important in terms of determining where to buy from. All right. Let me take this one. If you look at this carefully now, you expect price to come deeper, isn't it, before you buy, all right? But what is happening here is that we don't have any fair value gap. Remember, fair value gaps are very important. They are very, very important. We don't have any fair value gap. All these price action, we call it efficient price action. The only one we have is here. Let me delete that. The only fair value gap that on the 4 hour that we are seeing on the 4 hour is this guy here, this space here. All right.
Sorry, Mr. Mark, it looks like your
And
screen
that was
is
where price
frozen.
tapped before buying. So I don't
Hello, can you hear
expect
me?
GJ to fall down to this level, though there are exceptions to that. Ordinarily, we can expect price to come back here, but there's no fair value gap. No, no, there's no fair value gap. I don't like the price action here. All right. Now, if you use your Fibonacci, you can see that price is extremely at premium. All right. If you measure from here to that high, price is at premium now. So why is price buying from here? Let me tell you, because of the absence of fair value gap here. Take note of that. So if that be the case now, for this fair value gap to tell me that it is for this fair value gap to be potent enough to push price upwards, we need to see a viable change of character. So on the 1 hour time frame now, um, can see it's becoming more clearer. On the 1 hour time frame now, you can see that we have this guy here as your block, all right, which price did not tap. There is no fair value gap here. This guy is blocked. The only one we have is this guy here from the 4 hour perspective, all right. Maybe as we go down the time frame, we will know why price came down here, all right. But this is the viable place. Is there a shift in market structure? Yes, we'll see it. So from a 30-minute perspective now, we can see what is happening. Oh, very, very good. You can see that from the 30 minute now, we have this break of structure to the upside. That is a break of structure. I've done the analysis before, so I don't want to start marking liquidity. I've done all that. All right. So this is a break of structure. Price now came. Price used this block now as a spring point to push all the way to the upside. But what will value this, what will make this to be potent, you can see we also have this block, other block here, that last bearish candle there. But that one is a little bit big, it's white, all right, which price tapped into. All right, so let's not use that one, it's too big. So now for this zone, I actually caught this trade. For your information, all right, I've passed my 200K account on Funded Elite. All right, let me show you the account. Okay, let me go to their website. I'll post it this up. Okay, let me show you there. So let's go there. So let's go there.
Mr. Mark, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes.
I've been I've been calling you. I don't know if it's network or something. I could not see your screen for a while. Someone here to said the same thing. It was black. So I don't
Okay.
know if you can
What?
go over your explanation, please.
Okay. All right. What about now?
Yes, now I can see it.
Okay. I don't know. Let me. All right. So okay. Now from the daily time frame, I was actually selling this pair, though we are bullish. I told you guys before, right? We have this break of structure here. Yeah, we have that break of structure there. We have that break of structure there. Okay. So after a break of structure, you expect price to pull back before you buy. All right. So the low that price should not violate before buying is this low here. So that is a strong low. Okay. It is strong does not mean that price won't take it out. It just there is a strong low to at least keep that morale high. Okay. That is the low that price should not take out. So we expect price now to come down. But men looking at, I don't think price will come down again because there's no fair value gap down here. But let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what's going on there. Now, this is the 4 hour time frame. You can see this is where we had our break of structure from the daily time frame perspective. So ordinarily, if you take your Fibonacci and measure to that high, you can see that price is extremely at premium where you should be selling from. All right. Unfortunately, most of you will want to mark uh, your last bearish candle here as the point to buy from. Um, Price may not come down here again. The reason being that there is no fair value gap. All these are efficient price action. Now, for a price action to be efficient, the fair value gaps are closed immediately. Okay. If you look at this place to this high, all the fair value gaps that price created has been,
Hello, Mr. Mark.
yeah,
I can't your screen. I can't see what you are showing us.
uh,
It's still on daily time frame and on my own screen. Like it's like you are paused on this, but I can hear your voice, but the screen
The same
is
thing, the same
okay.
thing
The
with my
same with
side.
you, right? Yeah, I don't know
The
if it's
screen is not
network.
moving. The screen is not,
Yeah, the screen is not moving.
the screen is not moving.
okay, I don't know why it's not moving. I don't know. Let me check.
Okay, thank you.
Why is it not moving now? Can you see my listen now?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay, please, everyone, unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself. I don't want to be teaching and you be telling me you're not saying my. Unmute yourself, everybody. Chidera, unmute yourself. Adebayo, unmute yourself. Adebayo, unmute yourself. No, yes, unmute yourself. So that I want to know what people are saying. Not that after you now look at the screen. Can you see it?
What I'm saying is a black screen.
Okay, a black screen. Okay, let me.
But I can see you. I can see you.
Okay, let me. All right, check it again. Can you see it now?
It's still it's still loading, but it's still showing black screen.
I
Okay,
can
let
see
it.
I
your
can now
screen.
see your
Okay,
screen now.
please don't mute yourself again. Just listen. All right, all
It's
right. So
just because of my environment.
no,
Sometimes
no,
someone talks.
don't
Yeah,
worry.
me too. There is noise here, so I don't
No,
know.
no, don't worry, don't worry. Just leave it. Just leave it.
Okay.
It is you that will be distracted, not me. So just pay attention. Okay.
Okay.
So check my mouse. Mine is moving. Check yours. Whether it's moving.
It's
Yes,
still
it is
moving.
moving.
Okay. Because sometimes network can make it to be very slow. Okay. Okay. Before I proceed, okay, before I proceed, I want to show you the account that I have passed. That my 200K 400 elite account. I passed it actually. I passed it. So let me show you people. I passed it. So now they've given me my certificate. Yeah. This this is it here. All right.
Congratulations.
They are giving me, yes. Two,
Congratulations.
yeah. They've given me my certificates. 200K account. I passed it. I actually passed it one day. Okay. Because me, I love big account too. I will also advise you to go for that.
So how
Well,
many stages is this one?
their account is usually one step. Okay. It just phase one. It's not two phases. Okay. So you can see I passed it. Let me show you the trades I took. All right. The trades I took.
Okay.
I sent it to someone, one of my board. So let me show you. Uh, so let me show you. Very soon, I'm going to leave you people know.
Leave us as how?
Hello.
What do you mean?
No, what I'm saying is I will have my own course and all that. So this is
Oh.
it. Yes. So this is it. My target is to make $4,000. So now this cell of GBJPY is what I'm showing you there. This cell, right? You see it now.
Mm-hmm.
This was the cell I took here. This one here. This cell I took here. All right. But because I know that I am bullish, after price tapped that fair value gap, I was price now shifted from, so I bought. I started buying. You can see I had around 7 positions here. Each of them 2.5 lot size. So I passed it one day. All right. Mhm. You can see the account size there,
Mm-hmm.
200,000. So
So you
my
just have
total
to make 4K to pass
yes,
it.
depending on your profit target. Oh, some persons are greedy. You can start with 2%. Start with 2%. Don't go to 6 or 4%. All right. Start with
Mm-hmm.
2%. Uh-huh. Once you meet once you meet your target, then you will now be funded. But they said that they have changed their rules. After you
Mm-hmm.
pass it, you pay for it. Then they will not give you the life account. Okay.
Uh-uh. Pay for what
Mhm.
now again?
After you pass it, you know that this account is um passed before you pay.
Spent
All
on
right. So
Mm-hmm.
what they are saying is that your $1 that you're using to buy it is the fee you pay to access that demo account as a challenge. So once you pass it now, all right. In fact, let me go to um my dashboard.
Can you
Um,
imagine?
okay, now I think let me go to my dashboard. Is it which account? Okay, okay. Now, yeah. All right. Now you can see it. This is it here.
Yes, that you
So
must pay activation fee to start using this
to
account.
now, for me, it is not bad though. All right, because for me to like for this account now, this account is around 2.5 million. All right, where is
Okay.
the yes, yes, it's not bad. It's good than for you to pay and then later lose the account. All right, okay, let me show you this account. Okay, let me just go to payment details. Now you see it.
So you're
Okay,
going
they
to be
have
paying
even
$1,183.
no. Look at it. Look at it. The activation fee is actually 1691, but now there is a coupon here, which is Friday 30 now. So everything now will now reduce to you see it now. So now my total I will not be paying $1,183 and 83 cents. All right, on this account to access it, which around maybe 2.5 million also. So that is it. So if you are selecting any account, today is 29, just remaining tomorrow. Select something that you can be able to pay for. All right. Don't go and select two hundred
okay,
thousand dollars. Start from 5K. There are 5K there. Start from 5K. So that once you pass it now, for me, I like it to than for me to pay this first and then later lose the account. No, no. So that is what most firms are doing now. You pay after you pass the challenge. All right. So that is it. By Monday, I'll pay for this account and then I'll start trading because I love to trade on big accounts. So let's proceed. Okay. Let's go to what we have. So now we are still talking about GJ. Okay. So now on this 4 hour time frame, obviously price has broken structure. See by now, based on the way you have attended my classes, you should know that price must take out liquidity. Price must take out liquidity. All right. Now, from the 4 hour perspective, you can see we have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. All right. This is the this is the lowest low that price made. This is your highest high. The reason why I won't expect price to come down here before buying is because there is no fair value gap. From this all these price action, there is no fair value gap. The only one we have is this. The only fair value gap that we have here is this guy. All right. That is the only fair value
mm,
gap that we have here. There's no other fair value gap. So all these price action here are efficient. Efficient means price is closing fair value gaps when they are formed. Now here you can see we have um this fair value gap has been mitigated, but we also have this one here. So because of the fair value gap here, this price action we call it inefficient fair value gap. But now all these ones are efficient, so there's no need for price to come down here. So price has used this fair value gap now as a springboard, though we are at premium, which I've talked about. All right. So sometimes price may violate that premium and discount talk and start buying. Now you can see price is at heavily at premium because price is below the 50% level. All right. But price do violate it if there is no fair value gap. Take note of that. So
Okay.
how yes, take note. How do you now know that this zone will hold? Because sometimes price can just start falling next week before buying. All right.
Mr. Mark. Mm.
For you to know that, you have to go to the 1 hour time frame and look for it.
Sorry.
All right. Now, from this 1 hour time frame, hope you can see my screen. Hello.
Uh,
Yes, yes.
we are with
So
you.
it's only
Yes.
All
the
right. So
network that
now,
will fluctuate.
so now, all right. So now, this is the 1 hour time frame. This was where price touched on the 4 hour time frame. We have already concluded that we have a fair value gap here. All right. So why the
Mm-hmm.
price now come down here? All right. After see we have this break of structure here. You have to put your head down. All right. We have this break of structure there. So that is a break of structure there. So after a break of structure, you expect price to pull back. Before price pull back, it will change character. This is the change of character here. And after price change character, what do you expect? You expect price to pull back again. All right. So after price pull back again, all right, it was network. So now price has come here. Why did price come here? Let's say it's on the 30 minute. All right. So from the 30-minute perspective, now you can see very well. From the 30 minutes, you can see that we have this break of structure here. Price has changed character. This is a change of character there. You can see what price did there. This change of character does not mean that the trend has shifted bearish. We are still bullish. Price now came and created trend line liquidity, went up and took it out, and then fell. So now for you to know that this zone will hold, you can see very well here. Price, we have equal highs here, which I've talked about, relative equal highs. All right, we have them here this week and this week, makes up relative equal highs. We also have trend line liquidity here. So somebody is buying, selling from here, selling from here. So they constitute trend line liquidity. All right. You can see price went up there and swept both of them before falling. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so now this was the zone. If you look at this zone again, there is a fair value gap there. So that was why price did not respect this fair value gap, because there's an extreme fair value gap that is even close to your block. Just that this your block is too wide, is too big. This your bearish block there. Even though price touched it, price did not even touch it. Well, it's too big, so I don't like trading such blocks. All right. So now, for me to know that, this zone will hold, I must see a shift in market structure to tell me that price will only pull back from next week. Price will only pull back and continue the trend without going down. So what will make me to know is a shift in market structure or a change of character, which we call a change of character. Now you can see as price was coming, it was forming this your lower low, this your lower high, this your lower low. Price now crashed above that to form what? A higher high. So from a technical standpoint, now this is where you have that your change of character to telling you that the trend is now ready to buy in line with the daily time frame bias. Am I talking now?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So basically, after this change of character, you expect price to form liquidity. And if you look at it very well, you can see price has formed trend line liquidity, which price is sweeping now. All right, because somebody is buying from here, buying from here, buying from here. If I even extend this thing all the way, it's all right. That is okay. So you see have this trend line liquidity here. So from next week, you expect price to buy. All right. Now, if I go to um if I go to the 15-minute now, most of you'll be looking to sell. Yes, you can sell, like you can take the counter trend. You can take the counter trend before you buy, all right? But the probability that price will come to this point is low. Is 30%. Probability that in fact, the percentage that price will come down here, if I take my Fibonacci and measure from the low here to that high there now, you can see that price is at premium, all right? Price is at premium. So from a technical standpoint, price should sell, right? You expect price to sell. Let me see. So from a technical standpoint, you expect you expect so please leave if you know that how you are is noisy, leave that point.
I think it's because we have two devices.
All right, so let's continue.
Let everybody mute their mic.
Please reduce your noise. Adebayo and Shidera, please. Okay. All right. So let's continue. Let's continue. Hmm. So, Shidera, you can leave your mic. Don't mute it because the noise is not coming from you. So now you can see we have this change of character here. So this change of character now, after a change of character, you expect price to pull back. But now on the 15 minute now, we are seeing something else again. We are seeing an internal a micro change of character. You can see what is happening here. As price was coming like this, as price was coming like this, price now crashed above that high. So let me take this out. So as price was coming, price now closed. This is your recent lower high. All right, you need to understand market structure very well. So that is your recent lower high. So that is where you have an internal change of character. This one is external. All right. So this was where you have an internal change of character. Okay, so after the change of character now, after the change of character, you expect price to pull back, all right? Price pull back into that block, all right? So now, since price has pulled into this block now, you can see that price has broken another structure here again. So that is a break of structure here. So since price is breaking structure to the upside, you should know that selling is risky. All right. Selling this pen now is risky. So wait for it to flip. So now, after this break of structure, you expect price to pull back. To pull back, it will give a change of character. That change of character, for it to be valid, for price to even change and come down, there must be presence of liquidity. All right. So from next week, what I'm saying, expect price, pay attention, mark what I'm saying. Expect price to come a little before buying. All right. So price can either pull back and buy, or as the market opens, price will just buy and fly up all the way. So it has two conditions. So even if you are buying and price is coming down, do not be scared. We are now bullish. Okay, we are now bullish. We are now bullish. All right. Ask your question.
The area that you marked is what's that? This area that you marked here. Do you expect
Okay,
price to
yeah.
come there first before going up or
Okay, yeah. I mean,
yes, yes.
no, like no, no, no. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
I'm hearing you. Welcome back. It's network. I had network issue here. That's why I will soon pack out from this my house. The network is very, very bad here. All right, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. The network is very, very bad here. IJ, are you back? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right, let's continue. IJ, unmute yourself. IJ, unmute yourself. IJ, unmute yourself. All right, so listen, breaking. All right, so let's continue. So I was saying, ask your question. Ask your question.
I didn't know that you were back, Mr. Mark.
I think
You're back, Mr. Mark.
ask your question. Ask you
Please, I don't know
your
if you've
question.
answered my
Ask me your
question.
question.
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Or
me?
should I go on?
Can you hear me?
Should I proceed?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I was saying that did you answer this my question that I asked why you marked that area?
Okay. No, I have not answered it. This area, no, I was saying that after price had this, after price had this internal candle, right? change of character here. Yeah, all right. After price had this, you can see price pull back again. A demand which you call your block, your bullish block. There is a block there which price has tapped into now. Okay, which price has tapped into um on GPP JPY. Now see that price is see that price will come down. You see that price will come down here, all right, before buying to the upside. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Hello, have I answered your question? Have I answered your question now?
Yes, you have. But price might not get there, right?
Light.
Hello. Are we still on?
She said he's having network issues. So I don't know if it's going to come back.
Hello? Hello? No one online again? Akeem, báwo ni? Yeah. Mo rí miss call ẹ̀. Eh, okay, okay, okay.